Boxing? Why am I boxing? Because we're talking about Rocca Delle Macìe, a boxer, a film director, and a winemaker. So, for people that are crazy about wine, why do we fall in love with wine, really? For me, the main thing is that every winery is a story, is made of people. And in this case, is from the ring into the cellar. Italo Zingarelli, 1949, a boxer. Imagine that the Second World War is finished, and you have this Italian boxer. I can picture him, that later becomes a producer, a film producer. He's going to be releasing some very famous movies in Italy, spaghetti western, lo chiamavano Trinità. They called him Trinity, with Bud Spencer and Terence Hill. Man, I just watched a lot of those when I was 10 years old. And 1973 though, Italo, while everyone was leaving the countryside, he decides to move in, purchasing this village, 13th century village in Castellina in Chianti, half an hour, 40 minutes away from Florence, and another 40 minutes away from Siena. Beautiful road, vineyards to the left, vineyards to the right, dry stone walls, ancient trees, and little churches here and there. It's just like being in a painting. So Italo now is becoming in his third life as a winemaker. And today there is Sergio, Giulia and Andrea, Sergio's children, are running the business. Of course, today is a state-of-the-art cellar, one of the most prominent cellars actually in Chianti Classico, releasing this very bright red, crunchy and mineral fruit of the Castellina in Chianti Hills. What else can I tell you about this winery? I can tell you that you gotta come and watch more videos where we crack open these wines. Right in front of me is the Chianti Classico. I love the straight Chianti Classico. This is a wine that you can crack open on a daily basis. You see? Easy to drink, refreshing. I gotta use this pit back sooner or later, but also way more complex than you think. So, oh man, juicy. Follow us on our following videos. Thank you very much for watching. For more tips, tricks, and love, subscribe our channel, follow our social media, and don't forget to check out our next video. Hello, ciao, arrivederci.